Hello, welcome to ZineOne, the company that's redefining support for the new app economy. I'm Devjani, the CEO of ZineOne. So what are we doing? Let's talk about apps today. What do you do when you download an app and try to use it for a transaction such as check deposit, prescription upload, photo upload, or something like a fitness app like Strava or Fitbit? And if you have a question or a failure within the app, what do you and I do today? We leave the app, we try to find a phone number to call, or we try to go find a FAQ that will answer the problem or the question we might have and try to solve it that way. If we do happen to make a phone call, we would have to call and describe the situation and ask the question and ask for help. All the while that we are logged into an app that knows everything we are doing, knows who we are, and where we failed. That obviously is not very optimal. We could do better. We could make help available at the click of a button. We could make context-aware help available. That could be proactive towards the user, understand what he or she is doing, and make it easy for them to finish the transaction. That's what ZineOne is doing today. Let's look at it from another perspective. Let's look at it from the app developer's perspective, the folks that are developing and deploying these apps. Twitter and Facebook, 1 billion apps worldwide. eBay, about 100 million apps worldwide. Citibank, about 10 million. Strava or Fitbit, around 5 million. Those are huge numbers we are talking about. And how does one work between release cycles of those apps if faults are found, if bugs surface, if there's problems with the user experience, and there's lots of content on forums and websites that say users are having problem here, there, and so on. Should we redeploy the app to 1 billion people? Obviously not. There has to be a better solution that's real-time and dynamic in nature to help the user along through that experience that might show some hiccups, but you could take them to the ultimate success point. That's the overlay that ZineOne has developed. It's a real-time rules engine that works with known issues that are out in forums and websites and be able to take them and be able to devise rules that will enable the user through the experience of login to successful transaction. How are we doing it? We are deploying an SDK into the app. The SDK now captures the events in the app that the business user wants to log. If it's a failure, the SDK will capture that. If it's something that is problematic for the user, the SDK will capture that and send it to the ZineOne server in the cloud. And what will the ZineOne server do? Using a rules engine that the app developer has worked out, it will deploy an action back to the user in real time to help the user through that activity. So for example, you were doing a check deposit and you encountered a failure. The rule would say, please write to the user and give them a tip about 1, 2, and 3 action that they could take to complete the transaction. That will enable success for the user. That's our product. I hope you come and see us. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.